Hi guys, look what I have. I got my box of goodies from my favorite supplier for all things Trini and Guyanese, all from onesupplier.com. I'm going to link it down below, so go check them out to get all of your Christmas supplies. Everything that you're missing from back in the Caribbean, you can get it from onesupplier.com. And if you don't like to cook, guess what? They've got you covered. You can order your doubles, your roti, everything. So let's jump into this. Let me show you what they have in store for you this Christmas. So first things first, we get 2 bottles. And they always pack everything so nicely and so securely. We get 2 bottles of sorrel drink in here. Next item is a sponge cake. I'm gonna open it up all for you all. This one is a fruit cake. And the last item is a sweet bread. So let me open these up and show you what they look like. So before I cut into anything, let me show you guys what it looks like. This is the fruit cake. Really nice, dense. Smells amazing. Here is the sponge cake. Here is the sweet bread. I'm going to cut into all of them so you can see what they look like. And the 2 bottles of sorrel. And if you don't want sorrel, you can substitute for 2 bottles of pear tracks. Okay, now for a closer look. The sweet bread. And while I was cutting these, I was tasting them and they're absolutely delicious. Moist and very delicious. So that's the sweet bread. Here is a cross section of the fruit cake. And now for the sponge. A really beautiful piece of sponge cake. Moist and soft, spongy, and really delicious. So guys, if you're looking to order your goodies this Christmas, be sure to check out All From One Supplier, and everything is provided by Curry Roti Box out of New York. They ship directly to your homes throughout the US. So give them a try and let me know what you guys think. And remember, when you're ordering these, make sure and order your Dhalpuri, your bus up shot, your curry goat, your pepper pot, you name it, they have it and they will ship it to you, even doubles. So thank you all so much for watching me today. Go order today before it's all sold out. Bye everyone, and season's greetings.